The HVAC 4001 is a professional-grade wire tracer designed for electrical and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technicians. It features advanced tracing capabilities and is known for its accuracy and ease of use. Yes, the HVAC 4001 is capable of pinpointing ground faults even in difficult-to-access locations. Its advanced signal tracing technology can detect subtle voltage changes in the ground path, allowing you to locate the source of the fault. However, it's important to note that the depth of the fault and the condition of the ground will affect the accuracy of the detection. The features of the HVAC 4001 include multi-frequency tracing, adjustable trace sensitivity, low battery warning, automatic shut-off, rugged design and accessories included. Multi-frequency tracing allows you to trace wires with varying levels of insulation and interference. Adjustable trace sensitivity allows the user to control the sensitivity to adapt to different wiring conditions. The low battery warning alerts you when the battery is running low. The automatic shut-off conserves battery life when not in use. The rugged design is constructed to withstand harsh field conditions. The accessories included are a transmitter, receiver, and ground fault probe. Based on user reviews, the HVAC 4001 wire tracer is highly regarded for its performance and reliability. Some common comments include statements such as this tracer is a lifesaver because it allowed someone to quickly locate a ground fault that had been causing problems for weeks. Another comment praises the adjustable sensitivity as a great feature, enabling users to find wires in a variety of environments from small bundles to large conduit. A further comment appreciates the ground fault probe as a valuable addition, making it easy to pinpoint the exact location of the fault. There are some limitations to consider. The HVAC 4001 is not suitable for tracing live wires, and the accuracy of ground fault detection may be affected by the depth and condition of the ground. In conclusion, the HVAC 4001 wire tracer from A.T. Probe is a highly capable tool for electrical and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technicians. Its advanced tracing capabilities and ground fault detection make it a valuable asset for troubleshooting and repair work. While user reviews are positive, it's important to consider the limitations of the device before making a purchase.